Welcome back to part 2 of our S2000 take everything off and put it back to stock build. There it is over there. We're still working on the wrap. These are all the parts that came off it. This is all pretty much sold, but there is a few bits and pieces still available. I'll put all the information at the end of the video and let you know what is still up for grabs. This is hard going, isn't it?
Yes.
Just little by little. So Sebastian's helping us over here. He's helping to remove the wrap. We're doing the engine portion of things, taking the turbo kit off, getting it back to stock. And of course, while we're doing that, we're gonna put in a new clutch. Go through the engine, make sure everything is good.
Tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
I would share this with you. If you've never seen this before, this is a really cool product. It's by a company called Header Shield. It's like a spot weld process they do to join all the edges. And this is probably one of the best. There's their logo right there. The best products to stop that radiating heat. If you've ever seen our turbo kits, one of the things I try and stay away from are these big manifolds like this, because this just radiates heat, expands from, and it bakes everything around. If you have a hose and it's this far away, it eventually just gets cooked and it splits and it causes issues. Might not do it in the first 6 months, but if you've ever built a turbo car and owned it long term, the little things are the ones that start showing their problems. It is expensive. Check them out on their site. I'm not endorsing it. I'm not getting paid. I'm just showing this to you. But if you have a heated issue with your turbo car, this stuff is absolutely terrific. We're doing a factory OEM clutch in this, a brand new one. That way we know the clutch is right and the potential buyer knows it's right. We're going to take the shifter apart, and if it looks like it needs to be rebuilt, we can do that at the same time. I've shown you so many times about this on past videos, but I usually like to use my fingers. I don't put tools in here. Get your fingers just right, pry this up, don't bend it too much. There is the shift boot. Doesn't look like it's being put back correctly. See how it's pulled up? It should be pushed down. And of course the foam is all... You watching me?
I am.
You could watch the video at the end, you know.
I know, well.
So we're going to take this apart. Exactly. It's not like you're in them.
No, I'm meaning, why would I do that when I have this? I'm here.
The world is digital, Esther. You shouldn't watch it in real life. You should watch somebody else doing it. Don't you watch other kids play video games?
Oh, definitely.
That's like watching somebody else read a book. Alright, so, yeah, hold camera.
Okay.
You see what I'm doing?
Yes. Do I want to see you or down the hole?
No, more of what I'm actually doing.
Okay.
Because I look the same.
I think your perspective is probably better.
So this is taking this clip out. We're probably going to have to go see if we got any of these in stock, because they've been really hard to get. This feels like it's broke. It might come out. There it goes.
Oh.
Put your fingers behind this. I'll show you the clip here.
It's really dark.
Yeah, I know. Well,
Oh.
if only we had a headband light that you could wear.
I know, where is it? There we go, you got it.
Yeah, the clips are in good shape. This is in good shape. I'll go ahead and wash it to make it look nice. But all that foam is destroyed. It's gonna have to be replaced. So we'll leave that out of the way, and I'm gonna vacuum it. So you can see the gap around that. Once you get that foam out, that's what that isolator does, stops the noise coming from the transmission into the car. That's the gap right there you're filling in.
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. And now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw.
So this clutch made 500 horsepower, and as you see, there's not even any signs of wear. But either way, we want to put a brand new factory Honda clutch in this, just for peace of mind, knowing it's a new clutch, but two, it's going to be a stock car. If it gets modified, they can change the clutch, but we want to make sure it's factory when it leaves. That way we know everything is good. We'll replace these panels, a few of the things that we see, the brakes, the wheels, flywheel still looks brand new. There we are, nice new Honda pressure plate, nice new Honda disc.
It's a little hard.
Yeah, it's not bad, but that one's nicer.
Yep.
So this is it, the classic LHT shirt. It's become the classic because we sell it so fast. This is the S2000 silhouette shirt, black jerseys. This is the high quality shirts. These are the shirts that we wear every day. These are nice and light. They wash great. Has the LHT on the right sleeve right here. Good quality shirts, good quality ink, printed locally in the store now, LHTperformance.com. So we've made quite a lot of progress. The turbo kit is off. It's almost back to stock. We have a factory Honda S2000 OEM clutch in there, factory matched injectors, new serpentine belt, the cleanest header, which is off one of my cars, a new oil filter, new oil pan. The next thing is going to be the radiator and the fans and the airbox. We have a new battery for it. This is taking forever to take off. So you might have saw earlier, I had both of my kids in here and they actually enjoyed taking this off. As you pull on this, it feels like it's pulling your skin off. It is hard. This is where it starts to get hard as it comes to the top, as you see on this portion right here. I know this is going to be a real pain. So I did a little research in and talking to a couple of people. I've ordered a steamer, which is something we can probably use in the shop, but I'm going to try and steam this. Like I said, if I have to repaint parts, I will. When you pull it off, it leaves the white. If you get it too hot, it leaves this glue and it's yellow. So I'm going to have to maybe use some goof off or goo off, whatever it's called, to remove that, which is just more time consuming. So I'm going to remove as much of it as I can. The front bumper of the grill was completely cut out. Let me show you right here. I never like doing that. On our turbo kits, I don't like cutting the grill any more than I have to. This was cut completely. All the tabs on the back are completely cut. So it sucks. So I've ordered a new Honda bumper. And it's a factory OEM bumper. This was repainted anyway, so the VIN tag is gone. The car doesn't show to have any damage in the front. It's just pretty common for the front bumpers to get repainted. Whenever you're looking at a car, always look in this area. You're looking for basically wrinkles in the metal down here, looking to see if there is any weld-on joints. Make sure all the panels look straight, everything looks clean, everything is formed nicely. This just gives you an idea if the car has ever had any front collision. I looked this car around here very closely. There's no damage at all. This is all perfectly straight. It's dirty, but it's straight, and it's not being changed or welded. The plastic panels, I've ordered all of those. These headlights, I think when we wet sand and polish them, the lenses will come up clean. Hopefully they don't have those micro cracks in there. I'll show you as we do that too. I promised I would show you the interior. I did show you a quick glance doing the shifter. The shifter is not back together yet, but look how clean it is in here. These cover things, never been a fan of those. I'm going to remove those. This has a screen built into the door that is not staying, that is going back to the original owner. He wants that back, so we will put just a factory OEM door back in there. The steering wheel is in nice shape. The leather is good. The dash is good. The seats, this is the driver's side. The seats are absolutely immaculate. We're still planning on cleaning this car. Passenger side looks mint. All the maintenance will be up to spec, and it should be a nice car to drive. Alright guys, thanks for watching part 2. There is obviously more to this, part 3 coming up. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe, hit the share, hit the like. We'll see you on the next video. Hopefully you're getting some ideas from this. I know some people has messaged me and said, hey, I'm getting motivated by your videos. It's making me go out and work on my car. See you on the next video. Don't forget, enjoy your cars. Check out the store, lhtperformance.com. We do have a new shirt in the store right now.